I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but the estate is our second project. To my left, this is the very first project we worked on. It's a 5-bedroom home. It's not completed. It doesn't need a roofless top, an open top. But yeah, that's the first project we embarked on. And then we open up with the estate.
If you're interested in seeing a video of our Project 1, leave me a comment below and say Project 1. Hello everybody, welcome back. As promised, I am here to show you guys the very first project we worked on. This also gives you guys a different view of what you can potentially get for yourself. Bear in mind, this house is huge. It has 5 bedrooms. You don't necessarily have to build yourself a house this big. That is what you guys need to remember. Build what your pocket can afford. Okay, and bear in mind that things have just gotten really expensive, and so what we may have built this for a year or two ago will not be the case today. And so if you're looking at this like, oh my god, how did they build this, just bear in mind times have changed. The reality we face today is what you could have afforded a year ago is not what the prices are today, which is why it is important to just get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and tour this house. This house again is a 5-bedroom home. It has 2 living rooms, so that brown door leads to the second living room, and this place is more like the formal living room. As you can tell, we have really high ceilings. This is a dining room area to the right, and this particular room is the kitchen. Okay, and somewhere in here, right here, we have the pantry, which I absolutely love because it's quite a decent size, you know. And then the next room, before we walk into that room, this is the door that leads to the backyard. And here we have the laundry room. What I love about this house is just how spacious it is, okay? We purposefully made the laundry room bigger so that it can be used as extra storage. Now, what I love about this place, again, is just how spacious it is. The first bedroom is on this floor, and then the remaining 4 are upstairs. We have other smaller spaces in the house, which are not necessarily bedrooms, okay? So an example is the one we just saw, and this was initially a garage, but we have other plans for this, okay? This is the first bedroom on the first floor. We thought it was important to, you know, keep one of the bedrooms on the first floor, okay? This is a bathroom and a closet, okay? And look at how just wide the hallways are. Love it. So I talked about the high ceilings when we first came in. This gives you a pretty good view of how high the ceilings are, and you know, that was really important to us. So we're gonna take a walk upstairs and you will see the remaining bedrooms, okay? All the rooms are en suite, is what we call it in Ghana, which means it all has a bathroom within the rooms itself, okay? this will be the open rooftop. Okay. So guys, I share this honestly to encourage you guys. It is possible. So the actual structure of this home was built when we were in the heights of the pandemic, because we really didn't know what was next. And now we look back and we are so glad we did. We are so glad we did, because when we look at the prices of materials and what it costs to build today, oh my God, I can't imagine doing this project now, because it would be so costly. And so we don't know what tomorrow holds, which means if you have a goal, execute it today. Because yes, this was a little more cheaper 2-3 years ago than it would be today. But if you try to do this another 2-3 years from now, it could be worse. And so whatever goal you have, execute it, pray about it, and just move, and move with confidence, knowing God is going to back you up. Okay. If you have gotten this far and you are inspired, write inspired in the comment section and tell me exactly why. Are you inspired to get yours started? Are you inspired to help somebody build theirs? Let me know. So now you've seen project 1, and I know you guys have been waiting on this for a long time. You've seen our second project, and our third project, which is a much bigger project, starts in 2025. So if you're looking to build, definitely contact the African Legacy through our website or through our email. We're looking forward to working with each of you and making your dreams come true. Listen, life is short. We can't just keep working and not enjoy it. And for me, one of the most prized possessions that I think everybody should have is a home, a place they can call home. It doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be small. It has to be exactly what you need it to be. Okay? And so the reason why I shared project 1 is I am going to document the process for you guys if you are interested. One thing I've noticed is we build solid homes in Ghana, but our finishing is not always clean. And so we have people who are great at putting up the structure, but not so great at finishing it. And I'm going to share my journey in hopes of inspiring each of you guys. All right? As always, thank you for watching. And guys, be safe. Bye.